Okay, I'm getting ready to install this trim. There's a few things I need to do first. Here's my cord, and I'm just gonna kind of undo that and take it out of the plastic bag and such. And I usually keep these little white wire goodies because I might end up using one here. We'll see. And see, there's a separate little plastic one at the end. I'm going to leave that on for now and just pull that off. And then there's another little wire right here. I don't cut those off. I just save the little wire ties. Okay. And I'm going to leave this bottom one on for right now because it's going to dangle up against the wall. Okay. And what I do is I just straighten this out first. I just take it and try to get all of this kind of straight so that I can work with it later. I'm not even concerned about how this is going to go just yet. Okay. Just going to get this cord straight. Like that. Okay. And you remember the other thing, there's a plastic film here, and you might not think there is, but there is on most of them. See there? Yeah, I took that off. You don't take that off. After a while, if you start doing the controls up there, it starts breaking and it just looks kind of bad. I'm also going to look at this weather stripping around here. Sometimes this is pulled down through shipping. Just going to look at that. These are pretty tinny in retrospect. You know, because they're all kind of plastic. Now I'm going to look at the sides here because on this, that's where it clicks in. You see there? That's the bottom. That's how it's going to click at the bottom. And there's another one over there. And up at the top, there's a little goodie. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Okay. Right there. The top snaps on that. So I'm going to look at that and see if I need to make any adjustments. Sometimes when the housing gets installed, when you put the screws in, this might want to have a tendency to kind of push in this way. And then as you clip it down, I want friction on this clip. So I want this to go out just a hair. You know, not very much. Just a little bit so it looks like it's bowed to the outside. And this one looks pretty good. Just gonna see what I can do about pushing that over. And I could have done that after I installed the housing, kind of whacked on it with the side of my hammer. Last thing you want to do is start touching, getting too close to the copper pipes in here and stuff, because that's all under pressure. Okay, so that looks like it's pushed out just barely. So see, as this canopy folds down, I can snap one side and then I can kind of push it and kind of bend it and snap it over the other side. I want this thing nice and tight at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to also talk to you about the damper. Now, what's the damper all about? Now, you remember, I pulled it out. I had it far enough out so that I could put this screw in here, and that's another thing I normally do. Now, on this side over here, my screwdriver is too long, and I'm not going to do that one. But you don't have to put a screw in there. If you want to get one of those screwdrivers that go like that, you can fish the screw in there. But you know, one screw should be plenty, and this looks like it's lined up exact. And I'm just going to get that screw in there if I can. There. That way I know it's seated in there properly. That. Okay, just make it snug. Okay, there. That's going to keep this from chattering. Chances are it's probably not going to. I just do that as a little security for me.